Hello guys, today we will talk about the 12 colorful species of kingfishers found in India. So let's get started. Our number 1 is stork-billed kingfisher. It's a large kingfisher with blue-green back and blue wings with blue tail. It has an enormous red bill diagnostic and red legs. It also has a dark grey brown head with yellowish and blue collar on back of neck. Size is about 38 centimeter and its call is a noisy call like a key which is repeated many times. Its range is throughout the subcontinent except drier parts of the northwestern India, and its habitat is canals, streams, coastal backwaters, and in well wooded country. Next is brown winged kingfisher. It's a large brown kingfisher with bright orange head and underparts and a huge red bill. It also has brown upper parts, blue rump, and lower back. It feeds by plunging into water or onto mud from favored perch. It will feed in sea surf, often resting within breaking waves. Size is about 36 centimeter, and its voices calls include laughing, descending cha 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 and low whistling chow chow chow. It is globally near threatened, and its carp breeding resident and it's a winter visitor to northeastern India and Bangladesh. And its habitat is coasts with mangroves and wooded estuaries, and very rarely on inland wetlands. Next is black-capped kingfisher. It has a black cap, white collar and deep blue upper body with white throat, upper breast and dull rufous below. It dives for fish but also takes insects from ground. Its size is about 30 centimeter and its voice is called a shrill, very loud cackle, quite like the commoner white-breasted kingfisher but unmistakable if once heard. Its range is the coast from around Mumbai south along entire western seaboard and along the eastern coast and Sri Lanka. Its habitat is chiefly coastal areas, mangrove estuaries, and may wander inland and especially along rivers. Next is ruddy kingfisher. It's overall orange rufous bird with large coral red bill, rufous orange underparts with washed violet and lighter rufous underparts. It also has bluish white rump, which is conspicuous during flight. It's more heard than seen and perches in understory dropping to capture prey. Size is about 25 centimeter and its voice is called a descending and high pitched tt. Its range is through eastern Himalayan foothills and northeastern India and Bangladesh. Its habitat is pools and streams in dense broadleaf tropical and subtropical evergreen forests, also mangrove swamps. Next is white-throated or white-breasted kingfisher. It has a chestnut brown head, neck and underbody below breast and has a bright turquoise blue above, often with greenish tongue and black flight feathers with white wing patch visible in flight. It's frequently found far from water and drops to ground to pick up the prey. Its size is about 28 centimeter and its voice is noisy, loud crackling laugh often audible over crowded urban areas and a song a longish quavering whistle sounding klee lili lili. Its range is throughout the subcontinent and south of the outer Himalayas, and its habitat is forests, cultivations, lakes, riversides, and also coastal mangroves and estuaries. Next is Oriental dwarf kingfisher. It has a brownish chestnut crown, indecent purple black rump, and a deep purplish blue of closed wing often hides the back, deep blue and white spots on neck sides and short chestnut tail. It's a tiny forest bird, usually overlooked when perched on stumps or tangled roots along nalas and mud walls, and often by forest path or road. Its size is about 13 centimeter, and its voice is called a sharp, squeaky chichi or chi chi. It's apparently disjunction from eastern Garhwal through northeastern states, western Ghats, south from around Mumbai, Nilgiris, and appears in many areas only with the onset of southwestern monsoons. And its habitat is forest, streams, and nalas. Next is collared kingfisher. It's a medium sized, heavy billed kingfisher with broad white collar. It has white underparts, sometimes washed with buff, and turquoise head, wings, and tail. Its size is about 24 centimeter, and its voice is called a hard crack, crack, crack. Its range is scark breeding resident, particularly along the coast from Bangladesh to Goa, commoner in northeastern India and on Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And its habitat is tidal creeks, mudflats, and mangroves, where feeds mainly on small crabs and skippers. Next is blue-eared kingfisher. It's a small, short-tailed and vividly colored kingfisher with brilliant ultramarine blue upperparts and rufous red underparts, rufous laurel spot, bright blue line down center of back, stronger blue and black burning on crown, blue car covers and creamy white throat and neck patch. Size is about 17 centimeter and its voice is called a shrill chichi chichi. Its range is through central Nepal in eastwards in lowlands. Its habitat is rivers, pools, streams in dense tropical and subtropical evergreen forests, bamboo thickets, or near shady vegetations. Next is common kingfisher. It has a bright blue above, greenish on wings, top of head finely banded with black and blue, and also has a ferruginous cheeks, ear coverts, and white patches on neck sides. It's never found away from water and perches on pole or overhanging branches, flies low over water, and has a brilliant blue streak, utters shrill notes, and sometimes tame and confiding. Size is about 18 centimeter and its voice is called a shrill chichi chichi. Its ranges throughout the subcontinent and in south of 2000 meter in the Himalayas. And its habitat is streams, lakes, canals, and also coastal areas. Next is Blitz kingfisher. It's larger than the common kingfisher with brilliant blue upperparts and rufous underparts. It has a long rubous bill, pale blue spangling on crown and nape, orange loris, blue ear coverts, creamy white chin and throat. It perches on overhanging branches near water and it's shy and averse to disturbance. Size is about 22 centimeter and its voice is called a surprisingly loud and strong G. Its range is through eastern Nepal eastwards in lowland forest and in southern Assam hills. And its habitat is shady streams in dense broadleaf tropical forests. Next is crested kingfisher. It's a crested dark grey and white kingfisher and much larger than pied kingfisher. It's strongly barred with dark grey and white upper parts, untidy, white streaked black crest, and erect when alarmed. Its size is about 41 centimeter and its voice is quite occasional kick note. And its range is scark breeding resident of north and northeastern uplands. And its habitat is fast flowing rivers. And our last one is pied kingfisher. It's a kingfisher with black and white plumage, long dagger-like bill, and untidy black crest on hind crown. It's noisy and gregarious and hovers with flared wings. Its size is about 25 centimeter and its voice is call includes piercing, twittering, chiruk, chiruk, cries in flight and sounding as if the bird is complaining. Its range is throughout the subcontinent up to 2000 meters in the Himalayas and its habitat is streams, rivers, ponds and sometimes coastal areas. So that's it for today guys. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. And have you seen any of these kingfisher in your life? Please comment and meet you in another video. Bye.